Get two.
Can you get what?
Two.
Okay. Who's there, baby? Will you help me carry the grocery? No.
Done.
So you make circles. Alright, you make circles, 9, minus, and then you cross out the ones you'll remove. Oh, you answered. Oh, what's the next one, baby?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2,
Remove 5.
3, 4, 5. 2.
Mm-hmm.
That's easy.
Can I see? Oh! 2, baby, is the other side. It's like this. Like that. I'll help you.
Is this my homework?
Oh, it's not really homework. The teacher said it says review. Yeah, 2. Which one is 2? And then you can copy number 2. Good job! High five! Yeah. They're not here anymore.
Oh, you're Mimi.
Go!
Monsters. You did drive it automatic. There's monsters.
Am I the monster?
No.
No?
You said
Who's the...
beside me if you need me. Okay, me. Mama.
How about you, Michi?
Mama, here's some
Yeah,
monkey.
I sleep now.
Mama, here.
I'll stay there.
Stay here.
Okay.
So soft and squishy. Like my
Wait lang, baby, ha?
and here.
Okay. Ano video, baby?
Squishy.
Can you hold this one?
So
Hold it.
squishy. Squish.
So when you watch this video, in the future, you know how mommy cuts your hair, huh? When you're small. Sorry. Oh, sobrang tuloy. Can you put this under your chin? Like that. And then look up a little. This is why paikli ng paikli yung bangs.
Back.
Oh, but then you can throw it na, baby.
Can we just put one? Can I throw it now?
Yes.
Yippee. My slippers are over there.
Or you can get it. You're about to take a bath anyway. Oh, baby, not there. Sa trash can dapat. Yeah, okay. Meron. Subo, please. Oh, you still have orange. Okay.
Wow.
Mm-mm.
Orange.
Orange again? Okay. Bakit 10 minutes?
Mango. You want mango?
Nagsubo ka na ba?
Ano ka na? Please.
Okay. Oh. Just okay. Oh. Oh. Stop dance.
I hit my feet.
You
That's a lot.
Can you tell me what you're doing? Ano yan? May ano pa? Oo. No. Change.
Wow, party.
Mm. You like doing your homework?
Yes.
Mm. When you're writing the character, you say it, okay? You remember the name of that character? Okay.
Sean Shui.
Ito eh. And, nasa siya ma. Wala naman siyang text. I love it, baby.
Want to eat it, Luna?
It's so colorful.
Mine is not.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Oh, I'm making a video now, baby. You're recording. Do you wanna invite?
I can't. How are you? Can you go to my house later because I want to go Friday, but my mom cannot computer, so can you go to my house later?
Let's see how much you'll be able to eat. Ayan, yan.
Can really play football.
Is it yummy?
Stinky, you still look like a terrible villain to me, but are you sure to lean on that tree?
What? What's going on?
How do you remove the seeds, baby?
Yeah, you don't have to. You just hold it here.
You can put it here, Mina.
Huh?
Oh, it has to be. Like that. Not me. Thank you for watering the plants. Just the plants, baby.